how to manage system try on OBS Studio. Hello guys, so what you have to do is so simple. Go to OBS Studio. This is the homepage of the program, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here to the settings down here on controls and go to the general, the first option, and scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you will find system try. Now here you can manage the system try easily. From here you can enable it or disable it, and you can also manage the minimize to system try when started. You can enable it, disable it, and many other options here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.